welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M53 5G, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the decibel meter will reduce the highest volume of our device speaker here, so this value will change on this display. So let's start. So as you can see, our Samsung Galaxy device reached 113.9 decibels. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.